Should you take a mortgage or buy cash? Or should you seek financing when buying a property or buy cash? What is a mortgage? A mortgage is a loan from a bank or financial institution at interest to assist in buying a specific property, whether a specific property is the security. The mortgage agreement gives you ownership of the property, and you can move in as soon as the mortgage is approved and payment is made to the property owner. Yet until the completion of payments are done, the bank will own the property. What are the types of mortgages in Kenya? You have the fixed rate, an adjustable or floating mortgage. For the fixed rate mortgage, the interest is calculated and fixed until the end of the repayment. Hence, the amount will remain the same and will not change until the loan is repaid. However, due to its fixed nature, the type of mortgage is more expensive. The adjustable mortgage or floating is where the interest used keeps on changing based on the market, meaning that any changes in the credit market will be noticed in the repayment rates. This mortgage type is typically attractive due to the low initial interest rates, but your payment can double when the interest rates reset. Other than the mortgage interest rate, the other changes in mortgages that can be included are negotiation fees, ledger fees, charged monthly, stamp duty, valuation fees, legal fees, and commitment fees. Buying a property is likely to be the biggest purchase you'll ever make. A mortgage allows you to purchase a property without having to pay the full price in cash. It spreads the repayment on your home loan over so many years. The amount you will pay per month is more manageable and affordable. Getting a mortgage loan may seem like a complex process. You may be unsure of the options and what is expected of you during the repayment period. But you need to find the right loan for you, depending on your goals. You should consult with a mortgage professional to determine if their financial needs are best suited for you. Keep your debt to income ratio as low as possible. Your debt to income ratio is all your monthly debt payments divided by your gross monthly income. To get a qualified mortgage, most financial advisors recommend a total debt to income ratio below 43%. Be careful. Your mortgage is a debt secured by your home. If you start missing mortgage payments, you may lose your home to foreclosure. Tune in to our next real estate tip. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can visit us on www.westlands-console.co.ke. Contact me on the indicated contacts directly. Stay tuned on this YouTube channel.